Welcome to Code Slice. This will be our last and final tutorial for the CRUD method. So what we're going to be looking at today is tying loose ends with Json. I know that you might be thinking of Json, you know, but no, this is not about Json, but it's about Json. Anyway, jokes aside, so we'll just be looking at our app first, what we have, and then we'll just be fixing some issues and just going over the overview of what we've covered. Open. Okay. So far we've done quite a number of things. I think the only thing that we still need to resolve is just in terms of the our refreshing function. Okay, let's go on. So as you can see from where we left off, we only have one piece of information. So let's go on and create more. So create. This is just stage 1. Whatever. So we've created the information, as you can see. And of course, if we open our JSON file, as you can see, the information, it should be updated there. Yeah, as you can see, it's updated here, right? And yeah, it's updated, and we can also delete as we learned last time. So we can just press the button so that the information displays, and then we delete the button. And as you can see, the button is gone. We were able to refresh, so which means all the widgets were cleared and reloaded. Everything is quite good so far, and it also updates here. As you can see, the information is no longer there. And we can pretty much remove all the information. Yeah, as you can see, there's nothing now. This one should also be empty. As you can see, it's empty. There's nothing in our JSON file. But of course we have this trailing situation here. So after sleepless hours trying to figure out what the problem was, it was a typo. It was a typo basically. So in our refresh, it's supposed to be title input. Yeah, it's supposed to be title input. That should solve our problem. I don't know about you, but these typos, they can give you headaches sometimes. You think that maybe there's something you're not doing right, only to find out that you just spelled something incorrectly. Yeah, so let's go ahead and create another note here. New note, value 1. Let's create. As you can see, new note is created here. Alright, let's see if it will delete properly this time. Delete. Perfect, it worked wonders. Okay, and if you can look here, all these buttons are toggle buttons, right? They are all toggle buttons, but the delete button, for that button we can maybe just use an ordinary button. It doesn't have to be a toggle button. We can just use a normal button. So which means we remove the grouping of the buttons and all of that. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So if you'd please do let me know in the comment section what kind of tutorials are you looking forward to, and also if there's any suggestions on how I can improve the tutorials currently, please do let me know. Yeah, and remember to subscribe. I really appreciate the support. So moving forward, we will be having quite a number of tutorials, and I'm also working on resources on a website where you can access all the Kivy and the various library resources, so that you can always have somewhere to go, or some quick access to anything you need. Yeah, and that's it from my side. Until next time, take care.